Are you looking for the best non-toxic cleaning products? In this video, I'm going to share a superb option, a natural cleaning powerhouse, and also show you how you can make a simple DIY surface cleanser. With the threat of toxic exposure at every turn, green cleaning for the air and home has never been more important and sought after. My name is Carla Santiago, a certified Qigong teacher and essential oil specialist. I combine the wisdom of these two ancient health modalities in today's modern world to reduce stress, increase vitality, and teach mind and body wellness tips for elevating our wellness journey. If you're looking for ways to consistently nurture mind-body wellness, hit the subscribe button and stick around to the end, and I'll share with you my free essential oils for stress and sleep resource. We all want our house clean and smelling fresh, but not at the expense of our health, especially when there are better options. One of the easiest ways to reduce toxin exposure is reevaluating what's lurking in your cabinets. Everyday products, perfumes, skincare, lotions, and more can be culprits contributing to your toxic load. Cleaning products with harsh chemicals and fumes can be especially problematic. Switching to a safer, natural cleaning routine can make a huge difference in your mind and body wellness. In my younger years, I used toxic harsh household cleansers simply because I didn't know better, but now I do know better, and I've learned some things. Non-toxic cleaning products can be just as or even more effective as their chemical counterparts. There are both short-term and long-term health dangers of using traditional cleaning products that contain harsh chemicals. It's not worth it and it's not necessary. Plus, many of these cleaning products contain ingredients that are also harmful to the environment in a variety of ways and can also damage surfaces in your home over time. Switching to a non-toxic cleansing products is simple, and you are creating a safer, healthier space for you, your family, your home, and the environment. Essential oils and essential oil products are perfect for household cleaning because due to their complex plant chemistry, they do the job we want a good cleanser to do. And they also have the refreshing natural aromas directly from nature. Time and time again, essential oils have outperformed toxic synthetic counterparts in purifying any surface or space. Let me introduce you to doTERRA Abode Blend. Part of the Abode line, a non-toxic, beautiful, and effective solution for cleaning and caring for your home. Today, we're going to focus on the Abode Oil Blend, the cornerstone of an entire line of household products, and the Abode Surface Cleaner. The Abode Oil Blend smells light and citrusy with grounding hints of herb and warm spice. Abode is a perfect blend for your home. This refreshing blend contains these powerful essential oils, and while each of these has individual cleansing properties, the benefits are uniquely magnified when combined into one potent, dynamic blend. Abode is high in powerful cleansing constituents like limonene, geraniol, nerol, and 1,8-cineol. In fact, Kochi eucalyptus, found only in the semi-arid interior of Western Australia, has the highest concentration of 1,8-cineol or eucalyptol of all eucalyptus oils available. Not only does the Abode Oil Blend provide a fresh citrus aroma, it also effectively cuts through grease, grime, and hard water buildup on household surfaces. So let's talk about some ways you can use this oil blend, and then we'll dive into some other surface cleaning options. Number one, diffuse it to energize, uplift, and refresh your home, to eliminate unpleasant odors and clean the air, and to even repel unwanted pests, and even to support your respiratory health and maintain feelings of clear airways and easy breathing. Number two, place a drop or two on a cotton ball and tuck it inside those stinky shoes to keep them smelling fresh, or simply put those drops directly in the shoe or other areas that can use a refresh. And number three, boost the dishwasher load by adding a few drops onto the dishwasher soap before starting the cycle. Number four, boost your laundry and dryer loads by adding a few drops with laundry soap to each wash load and or drop onto wool dryer balls that are placed in with your dryer load. And number five, add to hot water that you're going to use for mopping. And number six, use it with water in a spray bottle as an air freshener. And number seven, use it as a surface spray cleaner. So we have some options here, and now I'm going to show you a surface cleaner DIY. Now you could use just water and several drops of the Abode oil and you will have an effective surface cleaner. Or you can also add some distilled white vinegar, as that also provides a non-toxic approach to dissolving grime and dirt. So let's talk about ratios. Here I have a 16-ounce glass spray bottle. Depending how strong you want your cleaner to be, and you could consider what you're going to use it for this size I would add between 10 to 20 drops of the Abode oil blend and between 1 tablespoon to 1/4 cup of vinegar, and fill the remainder of your bottle with water. And with that, you will have a powerful surface cleaner for your kitchen, bathroom, and general use. And one of the perks of making DIYs is typically a lower cost product. For example, the Abode oil blend costs $26, and that breaks down to 10.4 cents a drop, as there are 250 drops in a 15 ml. So making this with 20 drops of the Abode oil was a cost of $2.08 plus tax, along with the low cost of a small amount of vinegar and then your water. Another great all-purpose surface cleaner option is one of the products in the doTERRA Abode line, the Abode Multi-Purpose Cleaner Concentrate. This is made with a plant-based formula and created to tackle tough grease, grime, and everyday messes on non-porous surfaces. The key component of the proprietary blend of essential oils in this cleanser is thymol, widely known for its powerful cleansing and purifying properties. The concentrate also includes all the oils in the Abode essential oil blend. To use this concentrate, which is packaged in a recyclable glass bottle, just pour this whole 1 ounce concentrate into a 10 to 12 ounce spray bottle and fill the remainder with water. And that, my friends, is a simple and powerful non-toxic surface cleanser for your home that you can feel great about. The spray can be used where food is prepared, in bathrooms, on countertops, fixtures, walls, finished wood, and tile floors to help keep your home spotless and smelling fresh. And this option will have a little bit more of a sudsy finish than the DIY, as it is a cleanser concentrate. Personally, I like to use both options for different occasions. Formulated with simple, pure, natural ingredients, the entire Abode product line is made for the conscious consumer. I hope you enjoyed learning about the Abode Refreshing Blend for cleansing and cleaning your home. And the beauty of this blend is it also has powerful cleansing properties for us. Use it to boost your immune system and promote cleansing by applying it diluted on the bottom of your feet, or adding a drop to your body wash. If you are already using the Abode and have another way that you like to use it, please share in the comments. In the description of this video, you will find a link to more information about the whole Abode product line. And now I invite you to download my free Essential Oils for Stress and Sleep resource to promote mind-body wellness throughout your day by clicking the link in the description. And if you found this content helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more mind-body wellness videos, and sending you much peace. Thank you for watching.